Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch your profile or your account on the Amazon shopping application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Amazon shopping application on your device, and once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage. Now from here, if you wish to switch your profile or add a new one, just tap on the account icon at the bottom section. You will now see your username at the top left corner. Tap on the drop down menu alongside it, and now you will find the switch accounts button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can simply add a new account by tapping on add account. Now you can sign in through your other account using either your Google ID, or you can also enter your credentials. After continuing forward by entering your email address or phone number and your password, this new account will be added on the Amazon shopping application as well. Once the account has been added, you can simply tap on it in order to select and switch into this account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch your profile or your account on the Amazon shopping application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.